Good afternoon folks, it's Jacqueline here from Pure Nutrition. Today we're going to be looking at nice energetic smoothies that we can make. And in this lovely weather I'm going to give you some ideas as well of how to make some lovely nutritious homemade ice pops. We will be using oat milk, coconut yogurt, orange juice, banana, mixed berries of strawberries and blueberries, spinach and nut butter. Into a blender add 1 banana, 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 teaspoon of nut butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut yogurt, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of oat milk, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, and 4 to 5 spinach leaves. You then blend. Now we have a high energy smoothie which you can serve as a chilled, refreshing drink. Also, to make the ice lollies, there is a wide variety of holders you can use. I like using different shapes and colours, keeps the kids interested in trying them. Fill the containers with the smoothie mixture and pop in the freezer for a few hours or overnight. You then have these impressive different shapes and colours of high energy, low sugar ice treats, which my kids always loved making and eating. Pure Nutrition is available for online video and phone consultations during these challenging times. Appointments can be made via email, Facebook or phone. Thank you.